pretty much all of us have more stress than is healthy in our lives, and we have all kinds of ways of relieving that stress, and obviously hot tubs are a great way to do that, and tapping is a great way to do that. And I thought, hey, why not take the opportunity to combine both, and hopefully while you can do the tapping on yourself, you can also get the surrogate benefits of the hot tub at the same time. So taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I'm giving myself permission to relax. I choose to love and accept myself. I'm giving myself permission to relax. And I choose to love and honor myself. I'm giving myself permission to relax. Even with all the stressors going on in my life, maybe especially because of all the stressors going on in my life, I'm taking this moment to relax, to breathe, to recuperate. I'm giving myself permission to relax, and I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe even some of the people who contribute to my stress. Because I choose to feel that free. I'm giving myself permission to relax. I'm giving myself permission to relax. And that may seem like a strange thing to say, but I could relax more often. I just don't think to give myself permission to do so. But I'm doing so now. I'm taking this moment to allow myself to unwind. At least a little bit. And I deserve that. And I'm clearing any doubts about that. Sometimes I might doubt that I deserve to relax. I have to earn that. Have I worked hard enough yet? How exhausted do I need to be? Before I can feel that I deserve some relaxation. And I'm processing any beliefs around that. Because giving myself permission to relax actually helps me be more effective. If I'm always running on fumes, I'm probably not doing the best I can do. So taking this moment to relax prepares me to be even more useful, even more effective. So my relaxation benefits others. My relaxation is a win-win situation. And I'm clearing any fear that I'm going to overdo it. Well, if Brad says relaxation is good for others, I should just do that all day long. That's not the real me. real me wants to be useful. I'm just choosing to do it in a more effective way. And that means taking time to relax, to recuperate, to rejuvenate, to regenerate. All those wonderful words. I'm giving myself permission to do that. As an act of love for myself. Body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And let it go. Hopefully you're allowing yourself to feel at least a little more unwinded, a little more relaxed, and that'll help you think more clearly and be of greater service. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.